Welcome to today's video. We are going to talk about Chapter 6, Lesson 1D and Lesson 1F. We are solving equations. So we've got a couple of vocabulary words here. Expressions and equations. So what's an expression? We've been writing expressions for a couple days. An expression looks like this: 6 minus x, 2x, x plus 4, x divided by 2. Those are all expressions. What's an equation? An equation is 2x equals 4. X plus 9 equals 10. X minus 3 equals 7. So these guys have equal signs. These guys do not. No equal sign? Yes, equal sign. It's like we took an expression and added on. We have this expression similar to this expression, but we added an equal sign and another number. All right, so when we talk about equations, I'm going to use words like left side and right side. And it's good to think about a balance, like a science balance, except that this math balance never tilts. It's always got to be level. Whatever's in the left pan is always going to be the same amount as the right pan. So I have a mystery number plus 2, and it's got to be the same as 7. So what could this mystery number be? Mental math, you've probably figured out that it's 5. This would have to be 5 of these blue circles because 2 more would be 7, and that equals 7 over here. But what I want you to think about when I say left side and right side, left side, right side, left pan, right pan. And whatever we do to these math questions, we have to keep everything balanced. Here's your first question. X plus 4 is equal to 20 is an equation, and I want to know what would I call the left side. What would the left side be? If I said, look at the left side, what am I talking about? All right, I hope you chose x plus 4. This is considered the left side. This is considered the right side, and this equal sign is nothing. It's not left side or right side, it's the separation. So x plus 4 is what I wanted you to click on. Okay, let's look at this picture. There's no equation written down, so we need to write the equation. Well, this is my equal sign. My equal sign separates the left side from the right side. And we have something, and we have these, and then we've got these guys over here. So what do you think the equation's going to be before I tell it to you? X plus 3 is equal to 7. We have a mystery number, and we have 3 circles. Equals is the middle of my balance beam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mental math, have you figured out what x would be? It would have to be 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. All right, here is a new picture of a scale, and I've drawn some circles in a box. So I would like for you, this is actually your next question, I would like for you to tell me what is the equation. Type in the math problem for this picture. What equation did you write? I hope you wrote x plus 3 is equal to 5. And if these two pans are the same weight, it's not really a weight in math, but if they were weighing the same and they're balanced, then how much has got to be in this box? 2. The fact family is 2 plus 3 equals 5. All right, so here's a new question. The next question for you is, what is this math problem? Now, this is the left side, so when you write the left side of this and you put your equals, this has got to go on the right side. So it's good. It's different than the last time because we had the box over here, but now the box is over here. So it's going to look a little different than the last one. Type in your answer or choose the correct answer. All right, I hope you made the choice of 10 equals 5 plus x, because I have 10 green dots on the left, so I'm going to put 10. The 5 dots came next. The x was in the back, so if I read this exactly, that's what it's got to look like. And mental math would tell you how much x is. If this weighs 10 and this whole thing has to weigh 10, I've already got 5. What's got to be here? Another 5. All right, let's use some mental math to find out what this x is. What is our mystery number? I've got some number that I'm adding to 8, and when I'm done, I'm going to get a 10. So what number could go here? 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. Some number plus 3 will give me 6 when I'm done. What would the mystery number be? 3. X would be 3. I've got some number that when I add it to 12, I get a final answer of 20. Something plus 12 equals 20. X would be 8. Let's try some subtracting ones with mental math. I've got some number that when I take away 4, I'm going to end up with an answer of 2. So what would go there? Well, I think it would be 6. I think 6 minus 4 is 2. What mystery number minus 10 gives us an answer of 15? Now, it's not 5 because 5 minus 10 does not equal 15. But 25 minus 10 does. So x is 25. I need some number that when I just take away 1, I'm left with 12. Answer would be 13. 13 minus 1 is equal to 12. All right, here's your final question of the video. Now, I'm just going to say this, when we do these in class, we are not going to do mental math. We're going to have a different procedure, but for now, we're still doing mental math. For this video, we're doing mental math. What number would you add to 7, something plus 7, that's going to give us an answer of 10? Type in your answer, choose the right answer. Well, let's see, you had 2 choices. You had 17 and 10. Sorry, 17 and 3. Does 17 plus 7 or does 3 plus 7? Which one is going to equal 10? This guy right here, so x equals 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. All right, good video.